Who do we got here today?
Sterling Smith from Booty BBQ.
Yep.
And you got Phil the Grill from Trapp House Barbecue.
Gentlemen, what do we got going on today?
We're gonna do an old-fashioned pork chop throwdown.
Woohoo! Yes. So you know what? I'm gonna keep it very simple. I'm gonna spray a little oil on here for the seasoning to it here. Got a little olive oil here. Then just sprinkle some, rub me all over there, baby. Got a little rub me all over, Phil the Grill. And that is it. I'm gonna get my saucepan out. I got a little butter and some ginger here. And then I'm going to put a little bit of brown sugar and peaches. Get that going a little bit. And then now I'm gonna put the brandy on and hit that with a little fire, kind of get a little color to the peaches and caramelize the peaches and get everything moving good. And then I'll just top it off with my barbecue sauce.
Okay, so now I'm going to take this beautiful pork loin. I'm going to trim some of that fat off around the edges. We're gonna pound this out into a cutlet. After we got that spread out nice, I do a little light coating of my Gold Star chicken rub. Like I said, it has those herbs and salts in there. They're gonna start interacting with the meat. After that, I'm gonna use a binder. And a traditional binder's eggs and flour, and you do the double wash. I wanna make it easy. I'm gonna put a little bit of mayonnaise right on top, and we're just gonna rub that in on both sides. In this day and age, who doesn't wanna save a little bit of time?
Especially when you're hungry.
We're hungry, you're ready to eat. And I don't want to be doing too many dishes. After you get that, just a light coat of some seasoned breadcrumbs. You can use panko. Some people use a seasoned flour, but this is really easy. I do a light coating on that. When you're ready to throw them on, get that grill hot and fast. We're gonna go at about 400 degrees on these. I'm gonna put them on a G-mat, and then we're gonna let this go until it's about 145 degrees internal.
Which isn't gonna be too long based upon how hot you got that.
Exactly. At this size, we're looking about 10 to 15 minutes, and we're ready to go.
So these pork chops are looking good. I like the bone in because it really holds that flavor in. I'm at like 145 right now. I'm gonna pull this off and let it rest, and then I'm gonna drop this on a plate and get my peach brandy right on top.
So really what I'm looking for on these breaded cutlets, I'm looking for that breading to start getting a nice golden brown. With that high heat, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of a spray. What that's gonna do is help the breading adhere, get a nice brown crust. And really, once it hits 145 degrees internal, we're ready to take it out and rest.
So Phil, how are you gonna finish this off?
I'm loving this pork chop. This pork chop has some nice char on it, nice grill marks. The seasoning has really adhered to it. And I'm not gonna go heavy with the sauce. I just kind of want to do a nice glaze. So a couple of peaches on each pork chop, and then just kind of glaze over right on top of it. Just drip over top of the pork chop, and you get that sauce once you start cutting right into the meat.
I like to take a bun. We'll get a little grill marks on it, warm it up a little bit, and like you said, keep it simple. I'm gonna do some mayonnaise on there. I'm gonna put the cutlet, a little bit of mayonnaise on top, and to me, pickles. Pickles cut through that mayonnaise, add like a vinegar to that pork, and it just works well. All we gotta do is try, right? I'm gonna have you have right here, but
you don't get no.
I need to get a piece of that real quick.
Please.
Let me get a piece of that.
Get
but
down. Get down and dirty.
That sandwich isn't done yet, Phil.
Yeah?
Because I know you like to have that hot
Thank
sauce.
you for that hot sauce, baby.
We gotta bring that hot sauce
out. A sandwich can't be complete with no hot sauce.
Exactly. Hit it up with that hot sauce.
Woo!
Because the GMG does it every time, right?
Amen.
Thanks, guys. Cheers.
Good